Have you ever noticed something strange? The people who work the hardest, who stay loyal, who try to be good to everyone, are often the ones who get ignored the most. And meanwhile, the quiet person in the room, the one who barely speaks, somehow holds all the power. That's because the world doesn't always reward goodness. It rewards awareness. Most people grow up believing that if they are kind enough, patient enough, useful enough, they'll naturally be respected. But real life doesn't work that way. Because beneath every conversation, every friendship, every workplace, there's another game being played, a psychological one. And the people who understand that game usually control it. Now listen carefully. This is not about becoming evil. This is not about manipulating innocent people. This is about protecting yourself from becoming weak, predictable, and easy to control. Welcome to Noetic Dominion. Today we're uncovering the 5 cold truths of the Machiavellian mindset. Not fantasy, not movie villain nonsense. Real psychological truths about power, human behavior, and emotional control. Because whether people admit it or not, power shapes almost every interaction in life. And if you never learn the rules, you end up playing someone else's game. Rule number 1, the power of silence. Most people talk too much. They explain too much, react too quickly, reveal too much about themselves, and they don't even realize it. Every unnecessary word gives people information, your emotions, your insecurities, your weaknesses. The more you talk, the easier you become to read. And predictable people are easy to control. But silence does something powerful. Silence creates tension. Most people are deeply uncomfortable with it. The moment things become quiet, they rush to fill the space. And while they talk, they reveal themselves. Their fears, their jealousy, their need for approval. That's why calm people often appear powerful. Not because they dominate conversations, but because they observe instead of reacting. In psychology, silence acts like a mirror. People project themselves into it. And the less emotional noise you create, the more clearly you can see others. Remember this, not every situation needs your opinion. Not every insult deserves a response. Sometimes silence says more than words ever could. Because in the Noetic Dominion, silence is not weakness, it's control. Rule number 2, emotional detachment. Most people live emotionally hijacked. One rude comment ruins their mood. One rejection destroys their confidence. One insult controls their entire day. Why? Because emotional people are easy to manipulate. If somebody can provoke you whenever they want, they own your nervous system. And once they control your emotions, they influence your decisions too. That's dangerous. The Machiavellian mindset understands something most people never learn. Emotion clouds perception. When you become angry, you stop seeing reality clearly. You stop thinking strategically. That's why emotional detachment is powerful. Not because it makes you cold, but because it allows you to observe without drowning in reaction. Imagine standing behind a glass wall. You can see the chaos clearly, but it cannot touch you. That's emotional control. And the calmer you become, the harder you are to manipulate. People expect reactions. They expect anger, defensiveness, emotional explosions. But calmness confuses them. Because calm people are difficult to control. And in a world full of emotional noise, that becomes a form of power. Rule number 3, the strategic no. A lot of people destroy their own value without realizing it. They are always available. always saying yes, always explaining themselves. And slowly, people stop respecting their time, because availability changes perception. When something is always accessible, people unconsciously treat it as less valuable. That includes you. A strategic no changes the dynamic instantly. It creates boundaries. It tells people, my time matters, my energy matters, my attention is not free. And here's the important part. You do not always need to explain yourself. Over-explaining usually comes from fear. Fear of rejection, fear of conflict, fear of not being liked. But powerful people understand this. Constantly seeking approval weakens authority. Sometimes a calm, respectful, direct no is enough. No guilt, no long explanation. Because people who truly value themselves do not beg for permission to protect their peace. Rule number 4. Perception is reality. This is one of the coldest truths about human psychology. The world often treats you based on perception, not truth. You could be intelligent, capable, dangerously skilled. But if your presence communicates weakness, people will treat you as weak. Human beings judge quickly your body language, your tone, your confidence, your emotional control. All of it creates a psychological image. And once people create an image of you in their mind, they interact with that image more than the real person. That's why perception matters. Machiavelli understood this perfectly. He believed a leader must be both a lion and a fox, strong enough to command respect, smart enough to understand human nature. If you don't control your image, other people will define it for you. And most of the time they will define you in the way that benefits them. This doesn't mean becoming fake. It means becoming intentional. The way you carry yourself matters. Because perception shapes treatment, and treatment shapes opportunity. Rule number 5. The art of being irreplaceable. Most people spend their lives trying to be liked, but being liked is temporary. Being needed is power. That's the uncomfortable truth. People are loyal to value, to usefulness, to emotional benefit, to what you bring into their life. If you become replaceable, your importance disappears quickly. That's reality. So instead of chasing approval, build value. Become skilled. Become disciplined. Become emotionally stable. Become the person people cannot easily replace. The person who solves problems calmly. The person who remains composed under pressure. The person who brings something rare into every room. Because when your presence becomes valuable, people stop seeing you as optional. And that changes everything. The truth is, the game of power never stops. Every social interaction contains hidden psychology. Some people spend their entire lives reacting emotionally, seeking approval, and giving away their power without realizing it. Others learn to observe, to stay calm, to understand people, to protect their energy. And over time, those people quietly take control of their lives. You can either move through the world unconsciously or learn the rules most people never notice. Silence, emotional control, boundaries, perception, value. Master those things, and people will never handle you the same way again. This is Noetic dominion, and this is only the beginning.